Hello and welcome everyone to this new course where we will be creating a guitar in Blender and Substance Painter from start to finish. So before starting, I want to just quickly mention that I've created a new Discord server for all the news and updates related to my new course releases, as well as things like discounts and sale notices. Also, you can ask your doubts and questions over there as well and showcase your creations. So yeah, it would help me a lot if you can join it. So to join it, basically you just have to go to your course files only, and I've shared this notepad file. You can open it up and copy this link completely and paste it onto your browser, and then you can join the Discord server easily. Alright, so next thing is, as this course will be a free course initially, therefore I have to complete it within like 2 hours, as that is the time limit for free courses on Udemy. So things might be a bit faster than my other courses. Alright, so with all that out of the way, let's just quickly start with our modeling process. So I'll just quickly press A and press delete to delete everything. We can press N to bring out this view, and I will enable my screencast keys so that you can just see all the shortcuts that I'm performing. As you can see, they are appearing over here. Alright, so in the course files only, you will find reference images of the front side and the back side. So let's just quickly add them. I will press 1 for the front view, and make sure you first press 1 on a number pad to enter the front view. Press Shift A, image, and add a reference image. I will just quickly head over to my tutorial directory, and in the reference images, add the front reference image. And now basically just press G, then Y, and move it backwards like this. Again, press 3 for the right side view. Press Shift A and again add a reference image, and this time add the, I accidentally named it guitar back, but this is actually the side view. So guitar side, and yeah, just bring it in now. Alright, now press G, then X, and move it over here. So now we can easily press 1 for the front view and 3 for the right side view of our guitar, and we can now easily start working. So right away, I will just create this body over here. So to do that, what we can do is press Shift A, go over to Mesh, and add a single vert. If you don't find the single vert option over here, quickly go over to Edit, Preferences, and in the add-ons section, search for Extra Objects, and just enable these both, Curve and Mesh as well. And then you will find all these extra options. So go over to Mesh and add a single vert, add a single vert. Alright, now press 1 in the edit mode to move this vertice around, and press G, and let's place it right over here. And basically just press E to extrude it and start extruding it quickly to trace out the reference image like this. So I'll just quickly, I will speed up this part, as basically what I'm doing is I'm pressing E, then holding Shift to place it exactly where I want to place it, and then just following the reference image only. This is like really basic stuff and easy to do. So just quickly do that. Alright, so now we are almost done. What we basically need to do is extrude it till here, and then select this vertice, hold Shift, and select this vertice also. Then press F to join them together, and just make sure they are in line. What you can do is you can snap them together. So go over here, select vertex, then press G, then Z to move it like this, then hold Control and snap them together like this. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. Now what you need to do is press A to select everything, then press F to fill in the face. And now let's press 3 for the right side view, and you can see everything is fitting properly. If it is not, just adjust your image or the object a little bit so that it fits both of the views perfectly. So press 1 and you can see it is fitting, and press 3 and that is also fitting. Now press E to extrude it till here like this, and basically we have got ourselves our guitar body. Right click and shade smooth this, and also enable auto smooth from over here. I will quickly come up over here and enable cavity and shadow just to make things look a little bit better. Alright. Next we can create this circle over here, this hole like shape. That is also very easy to do. So what you basically need to do is press Shift A, go over to mesh and add a circle this time. Press R then X to rotate the circle on the X axis by 90 degrees. Scale it down and place it right over here. Again scale it down. Just try to match it with the reference image. And yeah, basically I think that fits pretty good. So now to create a cutout onto this object, we will use the knife project command. So what you basically need to do is first select this main object, press 1 to go into the front view, press tab to go into the edit view, and now hold control and then click on this object, this circle that we want to use like a cutter. And what we basically need to do now is just need to press F3, knife project, and hit enter. And you will see if you select this circle now and delete it, select the guitar, press tab, and you will see this cutout is created over here. We can just press 3 now and select this face, press X and delete the faces. And you can see we have got ourselves a nice looking base body of the guitar. Go over to the modifiers, and as you can see currently it does not have any kind of thickness. So go over to modifier and let's add a solidify modifier. Make sure to select the object, press Ctrl A and apply the scale. And now we can adjust the thickness. You can enable X-ray from over here to see if anything is like colliding with each other over here, as you can see. So obviously we don't want to make this like too thick. So something like 0.003 is I think fine right now. We can adjust that later on, but in my opinion it looks alright. I will also just select it and add a bevel modifier to it. And let's adjust the bevel to just make it a little bit smoother on the edges. Enable harden normals and also enable auto smooth. Alright, we are good to go. Let's just hit Ctrl S and save our file before proceeding. I will quickly head over to the tutorial directory, and in the Blender files folder, I will just rename this to guitar, and let's just hit save. Alright, next we can maybe create this thing over here. I think it is called the pick guard. But first I will just select this and reduce the thickness of this guitar. I think that's too much right now. So I will set this to 0.01 maybe. And yeah, that looks much better. Next, let's work on this. Press Shift A, again add a single vert. Press 1 for the vertex select and just drag and drop it somewhere around here like this. And again, basically we need to just press E and extrude and just trace out this object in the reference image. Alright, so again it is done. Basically we need to just select these two and press F now to join them. If you want to add another vertex in between them, you can just press Ctrl R and add a vertex like this. And yeah, basically that's pretty good. Press A to select everything, then press F, fill in the face. And let's see, now we can just press E and extrude it like this. I will press G then Y and move it backwards till here I think. Let's right click and shade smooth this, and again we will add a bevel modifier to this. Make sure to apply the scale, reduce the bevel amount. I think this much is pretty good. Enable harden normals and also enable auto smooth. Another thing that I want to do is just select it. Let's press slash. So by pressing slash, you can like isolate any object. Like let's say if you just want to work with this object only, you can press slash on your number pad, and you can see you can isolate it easily so that none of the objects are like obstructing your view. Press slash again on your number pad to come out of it. Alright, so I will just select it, press slash, press tab to go into the edit mode. And basically right now, as you can see, all these vertices are not really connected. So I just want to connect them quickly, because not connecting them can give us some problems later on. So basically press 3 and select this face and select this face, press X and delete the faces. And now to basically join all these vertices, press 1, select this one and select this one on the one side, press F to like connect them together, then select this, then this, press F. And now press 2 for edge select, select this edge and press F. And as you can see, a face is created between them. And to make it a lot easier for us, what you can do is press 2 for edge select, just select this edge and now keep on pressing F on your keyboard and you will see you can easily join them all together. And just make sure to fill them all like this at the end. You can see we have a little bit of shading issue going on over here at the bottom. So press 3 for face select, select this face and move it a little bit downwards. And you can see we have fixed that very easily. Alright, we are good to go. Again, I will press tab, press 1 for vertices select and do the same for this side also. Select these two, press F, select these two, press F, press 2 for edge select and make sure to select these two edges and press F. And now select this edge and now keep on pressing F to join them all together and fill them out completely. Alright, we cannot really see any shading issues. We are good to go. And last thing, press tab again, select this edge and press F and this edge and press F. This way we have like a all quad topology. So it is much better. And yeah, we are done with this shape also. Let's hit Ctrl plus S to save our files. And I think this much is pretty good for this lecture. We'll continue from here in the next one. We'll continue modeling all these different parts of the guitar. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.